Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Awesome, so for cherry meatballs, I've got some meatballs and I've actually put some Middle Eastern spice in there, so some cumin, ground coriander and smoked paprika, just half a teaspoon of each into the meatball mix. But then I'm going to use sugar snap peas today, and the boys aren't going to eat them. I'm going to be the only one that eats them. So normally I would, if I was cooking for other people, I would trim them and remove that. But because it's just going to be me, I'm going to leave them on and just trim them as I eat. And then we've got our frozen cherries, which is one of my favorite ingredients. Or you could use fresh cherries, or you could use cherry tomatoes. Like, it doesn't have to be, but the cherries do cook in really nicely. So you want about a couple of handfuls. Beautiful. And then I've got the oven on 250. So when the meatballs, that's been 12 minutes. Meatballs are nice and brown, and like the cherries, the juices have started to come out, and the sugar snaps are looking nice and cooked. So that's good. Or if you want it a bit more cooked, you can always put it back in for longer. And then I'm just going to serve it with some Greek yogurt or homemade yogurt. And I'm going to go with some shelled pistachio nuts because I'm feeling fancy. But pine nuts, any nuts are good. And then some fresh parsley as well, just to make it look pretty. And I'll serve it with pita bread for the boys. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.